Court is now back in session. I'll call back to the back.
Thank you. Please be seated. Very welcome to Battleground, Richfield, and Center District Court. I was told that someone wants to videotape proceedings. Who is that?
I just had a question about, because he told us to turn off our cell phones. Would you like me to come up?
Yeah, come on.
My name's Steve Costello. He came out and told us to turn off our cell phones, and I just had a question about General Rule 16. If I'm allowed to openly record in court, if I turn my cell phone off, then I won't be able to do that if I wanted to.
Our concern about cell phones is just so they're not going off and interrupting the proceedings. Now,
Okay.
the video recording raises different issues. You've read Rule 16, I assume.
I have.
So I need to make an inquiry. Did you want to video all the proceedings or selected proceedings or any particular case?
No, I didn't necessarily want to videotape it all. When he told us we had to turn off our cell phones, I thought, well, if open access to a video record in the courtroom is presumed, then I don't think I should have to turn off my recording device if I want to record. And I don't think I have to ask permission from the court.
Correct.
Exactly, yeah, I have.
It provides a very liberal right of the press and the media to record proceedings. And that's what it's aimed at. Sometimes there are cases that are of interest to the community, and so the newspapers here or the TV stations generally, and they want to record. So that rule doesn't give an unfettered right of everybody to record the proceedings, but it does give a preference to the media.
I have it here and I can read it aloud. I'm pretty sure it says open access is presumed, and that if you want
I've got it right here, too.
to, if you want to take that access away.
Are you in the docket? Do you have a case here?
I've given you my name if you'd like to check that.
I'm just asking you, do you have a case here?
I don't.
Okay. Well, you don't have to. The court is open.
I don't know why you're getting angry with me, sir. General Rule 16 says open access is presumed,
I can
and that
guarantee you, sir,
if
if I
you
was angry, you would know it.
and that if you want to take my permission away, then you have to openly in court, orally say why, or you have to give it to me in writing in court why. And all I really wanted to do was find out why he was
Let me
telling
know
us
when
to
you're
turn
done
them off.
talking, okay?
I'm finished.
And I'm not angry. Let's make a clear record of that. And I'm trying to work with you here, sir. Let me read you Rule 16. Courtroom photography and recording by the news media.
I'm not news media. We can
Okay,
skip
so
that.
that's the first factor.
I'm not news media.
And it goes on and on. It talks about open access.
No,
Listen to me. Open access is presumed. Limitations on access must be supported by reasons found by the judge to be sufficiently compelling to outweigh that presumption. This all deals with media recording. So let's move on to a different issue. You don't qualify under the rule. However, I think it's discretionary for me to allow a citizen, such as yourself, to record what's going on. You told me you're not really here to record, but you felt that telling you to turn your phone off interfered with your right to do that if you decided to do that. Am I right?
right.
Can you
Exactly.
turn the ringer off on your phone?
Yes, sir.
Why don't you just do that?
Thank you.
Nicholas Mortensen, OZ0-933-1032. Okay, Mr. Mortensen, we're here on a review. It's actually set for Tuesday, but we're here now on negligent driving conviction. You've done your victims panel, alcohol evaluation was done, is that right? I have it here. Okay, to be done on April 20th, so it didn't happen. Okay, I don't know your situation. What's your situation?
Firearms discharged by one of my friends.
obviously, that's impacted all of your ability to do what you have to do before. And fair to say, you're not driving, you're in Vancouver. I'm going to relieve you of your conditions here. They obviously are very impractical at this time. Sorry for your injury. Well, how much is owed? No, I'm gonna leave that in place, but obviously, if you can't work from any income, we're not gonna hold you in contempt for not paying. And I don't know, maybe something will happen, maybe you'll recover for your injuries monetarily, I don't know.
I'm not sure. There's always hope that it was a complete injury.
I'm talking about recover, like a lawsuit, insurance or something like that. I'd like to see you in 6 months. And that would be December 10th. 1:30. I hope things go well for you, sir. Thank you for coming in. The clerk will hand you a copy of the order with your next court date.